Here is the website submitted by one of the teacher for her assignment submission at Tech for Educators, and it took nearly about a couple of hours of her to prepare this website. And all the elements which are to be there on the website are here. For example, this is the home page, and if you go down, even Google Calendar and map is there. And if you see this home page on mobile, so this is the way this home page will look on mobile. And now let's go back to the desktop view, and on your desktop you can have success stories of your students. Similarly, many schools and colleges are organizing their events and activities on a weekly basis. So this is the way you can take the registration form. Even you can embed a Google form over there to accept the registration. And every departments or every college have many faculty members. This is the way you can share their information. And this is very amazing part of Google site, where this is a live dashboard. So what do you mean by live dashboard? So all the information which is there up to date with you on your spreadsheet can be embedded over here with the help of this dashboard. For example, you can see this Aniket has scored 80%. So if I go and I see this spreadsheet, I can see Aniket 80%. And if I make this Aniket 100%, right, so immediately you'll see this line has went up to 100%. And if I go to my science department website, I have to refresh the website again. And if you refresh the website and go to the live mode of the website, and let me go to the dashboard, and here we will see the updated information of Aniket, which is 100%. So here you can see 100% for Aniket. Similarly, we can even share learning resources using website. So here you have Google Slides, PDF file, video. You can prepare a beautiful video gallery using site. For example, this is a video gallery that you can prepare, and you don't have to own this video. All these videos are directly from YouTube, and you don't have to worry about even copyright. And here even you can embed all the calendars on your website page. So this is a website created by teacher in a couple of hours after learning Google site. So now let's go and see how you can create a website using Google site. From Gmail, you will see this Google Apps. If you click on Google Apps, you will see Drive. If you click on Drive, we will come to New. If you click on this New option and More, we will see Sites. This is Google Sites. So here, this is the platform, or this is the tool that we have got to create a website. And now we have to give the name to our website. So here I'm giving my first website, and page title, let me write it class 9th. Alright, so this is the website that I'm developing for class 9th. In case we want to change the background, change image, and here this is the option that we have to select image. And here I'm going and randomly I'm selecting any image which is coming on the search option. And okay, I am liking this image, so I'm just click onto it and insert the image. So now this image will become the background of this page. So this is the background of my page, class 9th. And here I'm going to insert one text box for activities. So here I'm writing activities, and I'll just make some good color. Let me increase the font size. So this is the way I have done, given the name activities. Now I'm going to insert a layout. So this is the layout that I'm going to select. Again in insert, if you just one click on it, layout will come over here. And here I will write science exhibition. Science exhibition I'm writing. Let me correct the spelling. Yes. And let me search for some relevant image from internet. So to get an image, I will click on plus, select image, Google image search, and here I am selecting the relevant image. So let me see where is the relevant image for me. Okay. So let me select one of the image which is coming over there under science exhibition. So I'm selecting that image. Similarly, I can even upload a video, YouTube video for seminar. So for example, if you are organizing any seminar in your school, I'm writing science seminar, I'm getting some video. So as of now, I'm not just going to the content of this video, I'm just double clicking and I have installed a video, or I have embedded a video over here, and here I'm writing science seminar, right? So this is the way I have quickly, in 1 minute, I have embedded image and 2 videos onto my website. And since it is a webinar, that is why we are going too fast. And basically, whenever at Tech for Educators, we conduct session on Google website, and when we teach teachers on how to prepare a website, generally what we do, first of all, we'll explain the process of how to insert an image or the background, and they will pause for 1 minute, and we'll ask all the teachers to repeat the same exercise on their laptop, and in case they have any doubts, they can ask immediately then and there in the class. So this is the way we conduct live and interactive class, and wherein we teach teachers on how to use Google tools. And this is the way your website will look like. And if you see in the preview mode, so within a couple of minutes, you have seen we have created first page of our website. Similarly, you can also create a website for your portfolio. So here I am showing your portfolio. So next time onwards, you don't have to share your CV on PDF file. You can share a URL directly, and this is the website that you can create for your own portfolio. You can have your own work over there, what your projects or what your subjects that you're teaching can be there. Even whenever you're conducting any seminar or attending the seminar, all the details can be inserted in the website page.